जहाँ पे पोस्ट रेनेसांस एक फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के नाम पे बसा औकात हमारे पैगंबर के नाम पे, हमारे मज़हब के नाम पे ब्लास्फेमी जब कमिट होती है तो हमें बहुत तकलीफ होती है. वी आर डीपली ट्रबल्ड. शायद उनको पिछले 100-150 साल का जो समाजी तजर्बा है उनको अंदाज़ा नहीं है. दिस इज़ एन इमोशनल स्पिरिचुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 1400 years. For us, Muhammad is ultimate. For us, Muhammad is love, passion. We later on believed in God. First, we believed in Muhammad. Our initiation is Muhammad. We will end with Muhammad. We are not asking anyone to stifle freedom of expression. You may say, think whatever you want. All we are demanding is we can't give you license to abuse. There is a huge difference between license to abuse and freedom of expression. We are not that ignorant. We are the one who have contributed towards the awakening of this renaissance. That what is the value of freedom of expression? We love it. And we do appreciate all the achievement of the entire Western world on that account. But as a fellow human being, we are inviting you to ponder on your behavior. Think about it. Is it worth to defend the license to abuse? Think about it. We are just asking you. We are just raising questions. Why the people who believe in freedom of expression are so scared of questions? We are not giving you answers. We are only raising questions. On this eve of Christmas, beautiful eve of Christmas, let us also remind in the name of humanity the oppressed and the victims of Gaza. I do admire that some artists have contributed towards depicting what is happening in that unfortunate land. The land of Jesus, the land of Moses, the land of myriad prophets, the land of divine light which has focused itself so much on that sacred land, sacred for all of us, is witnessing one of its worst experience recorded in human history. We demand and we will contribute and we will appeal to the rest of the humanity that there should be immediately a permanent ceasefire and the opening of a humanitarian corridor is an immediate target. We should all work together to acquire that objective and at least get a semblance of peace, which everyone deserves. We are not just asking peace for Palestinians. We are asking peace for everyone.